How to fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this account error on Android in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how to fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this account error so you can get Assistant working again right away. This error usually appears because of the account restrictions, disabled settings, or issues with the Google app. The fix is straightforward once you know where to look. First, check the Google account on your phone. Open Settings, tap Accounts, then Google, and confirm which email you're signed in with. Google Assistant only works with personal Google accounts. If you're using a work, school, or supervised account, Assistant may be blocked. If needed, add a personal Google account and switch to it. Next, make sure Google Assistant is turned on. Open the Google app, tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then Google Assistant, and enable it if it's off. Follow the on-screen steps if prompted. After that, check your language settings. In Google Assistant settings, tap Languages and make sure at least one supported language is selected. If no language is set, Assistant won't work. Now clear the Google App Cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps, find Google, tap Storage, then clear Cache only. Do not clear data. This refreshes the app and often removes the error immediately. Then update the Google app. Open the Play Store, search for Google, and install any available updates. An outdated app can cause Assistant to stop working with certain accounts. Finally, restart your phone. Once it turns back on, try opening Google Assistant to test it. If the error still appears, it usually means the account itself isn't supported for Assistant. In that case, switching to a personal account is the only solution. The bottom line is this error is almost always caused by account type, Assistant settings, or app issues. Once those are checked and refreshed, Google Assistant should work normally again.